Regular physical activity is one of the most powerful ways to support lifelong health, beneficial at every stage of life, and especially valuable as the body matures. It might delay or even prevent many health problems linked to aging and help maintain independence, energy, and joy in everyday life. Older adults should aim for at least 100 to 50 minutes per week of moderate intensity aerobic activity. That's about 30 minutes 5 days a week, or even short 5 to 10 minute bursts that add up. Aerobic exercises such as brisk walking, swimming, or dancing not only get the heart pumping, but also could help improve lung capacity, boost circulation, and increase overall stamina. These activities may enhance mood and could even help maintain a healthy weight. While aerobic movement is essential, it's just one part of a balanced approach to staying active and well. Alongside aerobic activity, it's important to include at least 2 days each week of muscle strengthening exercises, such as light weightlifting, resistance band workouts, or body weight movements like squats and wall push-ups. These exercises help maintain muscle mass, support joint health, and improve posture. Equally important are balance-focused activities like Tai Chi, gentle yoga, or simply standing on one leg while holding onto a chair, which can enhance stability and significantly reduce the risk of falls, especially as the body ages. Using a simple activity diary or weekly planner can be a helpful way to stay motivated and consistent. Writing down even small achievements like a 5-minute stretch session, a short dance to a favorite song, or a 30-minute walk through the park helps build healthy habits over time. Tracking progress not only keeps the routine organized, but also provides a sense of accomplishment, which can boost confidence and make it easier to stay active in the long run. Every movement matters, no matter how big or small. Staying physically active is one of the most effective ways to support overall wellness as the body ages. Regular movement might help keep the mind sharp, support a healthy heart and circulation, and encourage balanced blood sugar levels. It also plays a key role in maintaining strong bones and muscles, which can help improve stability and reduce the risk of falls. Additionally, consistent activity may help the body's natural defense system function more efficiently, supporting energy levels and resilience throughout daily life. Like what you're learning? Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more wellness tips straight to your feed. Not sure where to begin? The key is to start small and build gradually. Begin with just a few minutes of movement each day and choose activities that feel enjoyable and manageable, whether it's a morning stretch, an afternoon walk, or light gardening. Creating a routine can help make physical activity a natural part of the day. For example, use TV breaks to stand, stretch, or take a short stroll. Over time, these small steps can add up to lasting benefits for both physical and mental well-being. Trouble moving, low energy, chronic conditions? Start with what's safe. Even small steps build strength and confidence over time. Looking for motivation? Try inviting a friend or loved one to join in. Having a partner can make physical activity more enjoyable and help build consistency. Consider joining a local walking group, dance class, or community fitness program that matches personal interests and energy levels. The goal isn't perfection, it's finding enjoyable ways to stay active that feel sustainable. Whether it's moving to music or strolling through nature, choose activities that bring joy and fit naturally into daily life. Every move matters. It's never too late to start and never too early to feel better. Let movement support a life of purpose, connection, and vitality. And if this inspired a fresh start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our latest health and wellness tips.